1527 Martin Luther King Drive at the Parks and Recreation. So we'll begin with reaching up overhead and bring the palm of the hands together and into the heart. Rotate the fingers, arms forward, reach around behind you. Interlace your fingers, clasp the hands, release your breath. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Let go. Good, now relax your arms and your shoulders. Head forward and center, wrap one arm inside the other. Take another deep breath. Open, wingspan. And then wrap the arms in the opposite direction and connect to your breath. Open to your wingspan. And release. Take the arms to the ground. Take a side stretch to your right, as far as you are comfortable. And you can look up into the cradle of the arm, or head forward and center, wherever you feel comfortable. Breath in, connect with your breath. We're here now. Okay, and we'll come back up to the center. Twist to your right, a hip final twist. You want to anchor yourself in with your arms against the legs. You can use that back arm as a chair back of support. We'll wrap it around the waist to the front of the thigh. Okay, good. Let's twist in the opposite direction. Okay, and we'll come back to the center. Another side stretch to the right. And to your left. And we'll come back to the center. Okay, go ahead and take your legs out in front. Point flex, rotate your feet, ankles. Okay? And you're going to keep your left leg out. Hold your right leg into a comfortable place. The straight leg out from the hip, the flexed foot. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, extend forward. Find where you're comfortable and be with your breath. Okay, then from here, we're going to turn to that bent leg and stretch down the long leg. So let's keep our chest open and shoulder back. And breathe, breathe, breathe. You can take it as far as you feel comfortable. Both arms in the same direction, or you can have that lower arm in the opposite direction. Okay, let's come up from there. We're going to twist to the bent knee. Again, you want to think about anchoring yourself in. Back to the front, crossover. Now you could just do a crossover twist, slightly upright, or if you're comfortable sliding forward, you can take it as far as it feels good to you. Okay, and we'll take it back. Both arms forward, forward fold. Switch legs, and we do the same thing on the other side. So we're working all around the core. Let's reach up and stretch forward. Find where you feel most comfortable. Close your eyes, move into your breath. Create your space. We're here now. We'll take it back, and we're going to turn to that bent leg. Find your alignment, and stretch down the long leg. Now, each side will be a little different. Maybe one side's more flexible than the other. Just take it where it feels good for today. Okay, let's take it back. Twist to the bent knee. And we'll come back and cross over that long leg, keeping it upright or slide forward. Okay, both arms in front, forward fold. And we'll take it back. Okay, good. Now we're going to do a double leg full forward fold. I'm going to turn sideways just so you can see, but you're fine where you are, okay? All right. So again, you want to flex your feet, clear the sits bones, hamstrings to the sits bones, finding the hamstrings, and we'll reach up, inhale, extend forward. Try to keep the spine long. You can support yourself with the palm of the hand, slightly bent elbow, go all the way forward. Grab hold of the toes if you like. Rest the arms. Be the breath. Okay. Now here we come up and back, and we're going into what is called the inclined plane. But you can also modify this. So your modification may be to bend the elbows and look up, or you can do a table. That would be bending your legs tabletop on all fours. Or if we wanted to do the full inclined plane, palm of hands under shoulders, fingers facing the buttocks. Open up the chest and breathe. And then we take it back down. Now if your legs are bent, lower the buttocks, take the legs out, reach up, connect with that forward fold stretch. Okay? So again, we're going to do that again. So we balance out the front and the back muscles. Inhale, exhale up. Sit, take it forward, forward fold. Okay, great. And I usually do 3 of these. So once again, your modified or your table or inclined plane. Okay, great. So we bring it back down and we take it forward. Okay, good. So you're fine just where you are. I'm turning back around. From here, we want to go into a bound angle. Bring the soles of the feet together. Find again where you are comfortable. Hold on to the ankles or the feet. And take your stretch forward. Okay, and we bring it back up. All right. This next move is called the tortoise pose. So first thing you want to do is open your hips. Modified tortoise. You just take your arms through your legs and you're balancing out the body from the center. Here you can just hang out here. Once you get comfortable with this pose, the body will naturally begin to slide out and forward. So you can continue to slide out and just see how far your body takes you. Okay, and then we'll slide the arms out. Usually I hold the postures in a live class. I hold the posture is a little bit longer, but I know it's different when you're virtual. The mind tends to travel a bit, so we're shortening that hold period. Maybe as further along we go, then we'll hold the postures a little longer as you get comfortable with them. Okay, now we're going to make sure we're balanced from the center, and again, feet flexed, and we're going into a side stretch. Okay? Now here you may want to stop halfway. You want to think about trying to keep that shoulder back. So we're lengthening from that left side over. And what's there, you want to be in a place where you can just hang out, breathe easily. Okay, and let's switch out to the other side as far as you feel comfortable. Okay, great. And let's come up, twist and slide. Okay, great. And then we want to find the stretch to the front. So you'll just walk yourself forward. You can rest on the forearms or the elbows. Just find where you feel comfortable and you can relax the muscles. Be the breath. Okay, let's begin to reposition. We'll take it back in. We'll come back into our bound angle and another forward fold. And reposition. Okay, so this time we're all going into table to prepare us for the boat pose. So let's find balance onto all fours. And then we're going to sit, find the sits bones, balance out there, pull the legs in. Okay, now on the boat pose, you're balancing the body on the sits bones. You want to use your core, feet and knees are together, slightly bent legs. You may want to hold on to begin with. This is okay. I know it's a little more difficult pose. Extend up. You can reach for your toes and stretch. You can balance out. There's all sorts of things you can do here. So just find where you're comfortable for now. Okay, you're going to use your core to come down, tabletop. Combine the moves, bound angle. Okay, great, wonderful. And coming back round, you're going to bend your right leg. Left leg, flex foot, long. Bring your left arm up, twist. There you go. And you can also do a mudra gesture. Index finger and thumb together. Anchor the back hand and arm against the back body. Okay, great. Let's switch. Bend, reach, twist, and breathe. Okay, and then we're back around, cross leg position, side stretch to the other side. And back to center. Okay, let's come back and move into a table pose. So here in our table pose, knees are under hips, wrists under shoulders, spread your fingers, the cat and the cow. So we want to round up through the spine, dip down, bend those elbows a little bit, cow pose, round Now lift both heels and bend both knees. Push off squat. There you go. One more time. Okay, find that down dog position. Hang out. Okay, we're going to swing through the middle, or you can lower your knees to table. Why don't we do that first? We'll lower to table, modify. Shift hips back. Then shift forward, cobra. Curl toes under, push back, down dog. Up dog, cobra. Overhead stretch. Child's pose, tuck your arms in. Extend the arms back out. Table pose. Arrow, opposite arm, opposite leg. Find your pointer, thumb up. Stretched through the fingertips, out through the back of the toes. Switch out. Extend and stretch. And then pull in. Hips back, overhead stretch. Okay, let's go ahead and reposition. Roll up. Back to your seated pose. Take a nice deep breath. Some circles, long spine. And reverse. Find your center, rock forward and back. And find your center, realign from the sits bones to the crown of the head. And we'll find the palms open to the universe. If you like, index finger and thumb together, or any one of the fingers and thumbs together, mudra gestures. And take a nice deep breath. Breath in, breath out. We'll end our session for the day. We'll bring up the arms. A circle of light to come into our heart. And that light move with us wherever we go. May we be at peace and all be well. Namaste.